Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. So, hi, my name is Akash. Today in this particular video, we'll be gonna continue the series from the part 2. Okay, so the thing is continuing that series. So, due to the students' lack of interest, so due to that, I'm not able to do it. So, I will continue the series so that you follow along. Then what are the things I'm doing, you will be able to continue this particular part. All right. So no worries. So we'll get back. So anybody wanted to connect with me or reach out with me, I will just put the link in the description below. You can connect back. So you can explore your career opportunities. If you are getting stuck, like in the career, what you are not understanding what you need to do, the things all about it. So not wasting further ado, let's get started. Watch my video previous part 1 and part 2 series, then this part will be the continuation of that, so you can follow along that. So if you have not watched that particular previous video, please do um, see that particular video. I will put into the description below as well. Two videos in the description, so you can follow along as well. So you can connect back that particular video, then come back this particular video. So otherwise you will be not understanding what the things is that we are doing to do it, so what we are trying to achieve. All right, so not wasting of further ado, so let's get started. So what I will be gonna do it, I will be creating a two new sheets. Just click on this plus icon. So rename this sheet, like one is a pivot and another one is like a for a dashboard. Okay, I hope you are understanding the things. So dashboard, this is a new sheet. Okay, so let's get dive into it. First, what we need to do is we have to go over here. If you just see, observe here, there is an insert tab here over here, correct? So you have to click on this insert. So here click on pivot table. Okay, are you able to see? If you are 2021, so there is a something called as like insert from a data table or something. You can just choose that as well. So for us, 2019 version Excel I'm using, so in that there is no kind of an option, so I will select this. Okay, so what I will be gonna do this is existing worksheet, use this workbooks data model in existing worksheet. Okay, I will just click on OK. So it will be going to create for me. Okay, so if you observe clearly here, there is a two transaction tables over here. You will be able to notice here there is one something called as database particular icon. Within the orange icon there is another table which is just a data set. Okay, so we'll just click on this. Okay, without further ado, so what we'll be going to do is here we'll be inserting R into a rows, correct? So just see for a whether where it is in R. Okay, see this one, we have to just drag and drop to the R column, so you will get this particular. Okay, so here for like pivot, based on that it will be going to create it here. All right, so then what you need to do is you need to insert the transaction ID to the values. See here, let's say there is a transaction ID, maybe here to values. Okay, so what you will be gonna do with this, so there are some of it, we don't want this particularly, right folks? So what we need to do is just click on this. We need to change this value field settings. Just click on count. Okay, I will just click on this. So some count of a transaction IDs you will be able to see here. So this is done. So now what we will be gonna do, that this transaction ID we don't require, right? What we will be gonna do with the transaction ID, we'll be not going to do anything, right? So we'll just uncheck this, so it will go back. Okay, so so we will be gonna do the sum of transaction quantity here. Okay, So what we'll be going to do is how much quantity is getting transacted for this number of hours. Okay, what particular quantity. So what I will be gonna do this is transaction quantity in the values. So it will be coming to the sum of the transaction quantity. This is the transaction quantity is all about. So this is the thing we got it here. All right. So now what we'll be gonna do is we'll be creating a uh, what we'll be gonna do is we'll be gonna insert this particular chart. Okay, so we will be going to go to insert, and under charts you have to select this insert line or area chart. Okay, just select on this arrow mark, see which will suits better for this analysis. I feel line with markers will suits well for this. Just click on this. Okay, just we'll just select this. Okay, and we'll just cut it out this one. Okay, this chart we should not add into the pivot, right? Correct, folks. So what we'll be gonna do that we'll just cut this particular charts, and we'll be adding here into the dashboard. All right, so we'll just try to do this particularly. All right, so we will be having certain things here. We will be adding, you will be able to see this chart element, right? Plus icon. So just click on this and check this axis titles. Okay, so you will be able to see this axis titles here. So there is an x-axis, there is a y-axis altogether, so you will be able to understand. Okay, so for x-axis title we'll name it as, what do you see here? These are the number of hours, right, folks? So what you need to change it, it's just remember olden school days we were plotting some graphs, right, in schooling. The same way you need to change here. Okay, so we are just making a useful name, right? X-axis belongs to this, y-axis belongs to that, so certain things like that. Okay, so I am mentioning like x-axis as an hours and y-axis towards another thing. So y-axis is towards what? It's a quantity, correct, folks? So what I will be gonna do that is I will just name it as quantity. Okay, so I will just try to hit a control V. I already had certain things have written here. Okay, so here what we'll be gonna do here is in the header what we'll be going to add is like quantity ordered based on hours, right? So we will be going to write it that. So copy this and we'll add it here. Okay, okay, so quantity based on hours. Okay, quantity ordered based on hour. Okay, so we'll just do this one. If you want you can keep it, you can just pull out into header as per your wish. If you feel that we should hide it, hide all field buttons on chart. Okay, so I will just do this. So now this is looking awesome. Okay, so now it's fine. Transactions. Okay, we'll just put it like this. Yeah, so it's awesome now. Okay, so if I'm just clicking on this, right, so if you just click on cancel, it will go away. Okay, just go to pivot. If you wanted to come back that query connections, go to view, select here view. There is some called as check it. Okay, that transaction was not required for us right now, so we had done something like, if you just drag it, it will be here only. See, it will be behind this. Okay, okay, it's fine, it's totally fine now. Okay, we'll create another pivot right now. So this part will be creating another pivot. just copy this. Okay, just copy, just take this one, copy this. You can insert another pivot as well, folks, but it's up to you what how you can do it. But I will be gonna change this part. Okay, so what I will be gonna do this in this is I will be gonna add the day name in an uh, day name in rows. So I will just delete this day name. I will remove field day name in the hours. Okay, so just I will just check it day name in rows. Okay, then in this what I will be gonna add it in the values is total bill value. Okay, we don't require this one, right? So what we'll be gonna do this is we'll remove this total bill value. We should come in values. Okay, so on Friday, Monday, see this is what I wanted to show you this part. All right, so let me show you another thing. Let me copy paste the same thing for a this one as well, like yearly wise we wanted to do it. Okay, so what we'll be going to do, add another column, date, day of week. Okay, in a so what we'll be gonna do this is one pivot we added it. Okay, so we'll just select, instead of day name we will be having remove this field, go select this, so we will have the week, day of the week into the rules. Okay, maybe some mistakes we are doing, maybe just give me a second, folks. Okay, just grab just let me grab another sheet which I have already created it, open it, let me check it. It's a day name. Okay, okay, so it's a day name in a rows. Okay, day name. Five one. Okay, so this one will be the month name. Okay, so okay, so here should be a month name. Okay, month name. Okay, yeah, row labels. All right. Okay, so this was it. I wanted to share this particular thing. So now what we have already enabled this, if you are not enabled, folks, so just go to the developer tab, just go to com add-ins and just check this Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel, so that we can add sort filter options here. So just go to Power Pivot. After that, click on Manage. Click on Manage. Okay. Then launch a Power Query Editor. So go to Data, Launch Power Query Editor. So select uh, go to month name and okay. So see here, if you able to see the month name, yeah. Select here month name, and here in the sort and filter, in home sort and filter, select this sort by column. Click on sort by column. Here you will be able to see the column should be the month name. Sort by which column? So by month. So it should be month, maybe month, yeah. So here the column is month. Click on OK. Okay, this will be done. So so based on the month it will come. So now day of the week, day name. So day name by the day of the week. So the day name also we have to do the same thing by day of the week. So you have to sort by day of the week. So click on this and click on OK. Okay, so this was it. Okay, so we'll just close this. If you just observe here, maybe it will come. Now see the changes that we did. So it had got sorted now, right? So January, February, April, March, April, May, June. So this is what I wanted to show you, folks. So this was the major pivot that I wanted to show in this particular small video. The next video will be going to discuss further what will be going to discuss all about. So that's it about this particular video. If you like this particular video, please subscribe to my channel, and also if you wanted to connect with me, you can just watch the below description. I will be attaching the link so you can connect with me through TopMat if you have any doubts related to the career consultations and all about. If you wanted to discuss any particular project, please reach out to me.